Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A41. So there are two ways for it. The first one is working with the buttons. So we need the power button for and the volume down button. If you press now these both buttons for the same time and hold it for short, then we will have a screenshot. After you have here directly the preview, and you can edit it or share it directly. One more time, the power button and the volume down button for the same time, just for short. And we have here the preview. And now let's tap on editing, and you're able now maybe to crop just a part here of our screenshot. Maybe if you're on a website, just want to have the picture, then it is possible. And also you can draw something inside here. And after you can share it directly, maybe on WhatsApp or something like this, or save it directly to your gallery. So there's a second way, as I said, for that we will need our palm, so better the edge of our palm. Just swipe it across the screen and you will have a screenshot as well. Sometimes you have to enable that feature, but basically it should be the default. But if not, so just scroll down here, then go here to the settings. Then we have to go to the point advanced features, and then we will need here that point motion and gestures. And then this one here, palm swipe to capture, has to be enabled. If we tap it, we will see one more time an instruction here. Okay, and after you will find, of course, your screenshots and so on at the gallery. And first of all, at our pictures, we have all our pictures here, as you can see. But what's very nice on the phone, at the category albums here, the screenshots have their own folder. So very nice. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.